Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Day of the Girl Child. October 11th is recognized as the International Day of the Girl Child, highlighting challenges girls face and promoting their empowerment and rights. An event titled Invest in Girls, Rights, Our Leadership, Our Well-Being is scheduled for October 11th, 2023. It is organized by UNICEF and Plan International to emphasize the role of girls in shaping various societal sectors. The 1995 Beijing Declaration and Platform for Action was a first and landmark step for women's and girls' rights. The 2030 Agenda introduced 7 Sustainable Development Goals in 2015 for global progress. A key component of these goals is achieving gender equality and empowering women and girls. Vanessa Nakate, a Ugandan climate activist, emphasizes the interrelation between climate change and its disproportionate impact on African women and girls. Global statistics reveal a range of challenges girls face, from educational setbacks to health risks. With over 1.1 billion girls today, they are actively addressing issues like child marriage, education inequality, and more, showing their resilience and strength. Over 600 million adolescent girls globally have the potential to be the next generation of leaders and change makers with the right opportunities. This year, there is a heightened global pushback against girls and women's rights, resulting in significant adverse impacts on girls.